In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Docs file in Brave. Whether you're working with a traditional document file like a .doc or .docs or a PDF, the process is quick, clear, and consistent. We'll keep it simple and make sure you know exactly what to expect at each step so there are no surprises. Start by locating the file you want to open. This could be in your Downloads folder, on your desktop, or inside a project folder you use often. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct file type. Documents typically end in .doc or .docx, and PDFs end in .pdf. If the file is currently open in another program, it's a good idea to close it first so there aren't any conflicts when you open it in the browser. Next, right-click the file to bring up the context menu and look for the Open With option. On Windows, you'll see Open With directly. If Brave doesn't appear in the first list, choose the option to select another app and look for Brave there. On macOS, you'll find Open With in the menu. If Brave isn't listed, choose the option to browse other applications and then pick Brave. The key point here is that you're telling your computer just for this one time to use the Brave browser to handle the file you selected. Now, click the Brave browser from that Open With list. Your system will launch Brave and open a new tab for the file. If it's a PDF, you should immediately see it displayed in Brave's built-in PDF viewer, complete with handy controls along the top for zooming in and out, rotating, searching within the document, and printing. This viewer is fast, secure, and great for reading or reviewing. If it's a .doc or .docs file, behavior can vary depending on your system and settings. Some setups will prompt Brave to download or hand the file off to an installed Office app, while others may display a preview using an online viewer. In any case, you're still using the Open With action to direct the file through Brave, and you'll be able to view it or quickly get it into the tool you prefer. Remember that opening a document in a browser is generally for viewing. If you need to make edits, you'll want to switch to a dedicated word processor afterward. If you don't see Brave in the list, confirm that it's installed and up to date. And if the file doesn't open on the first try, close any program that might be locking the file and try the Open With option again. That's all there is to it. Choose your Docs or PDF file, right-click and select Open With, then pick the Brave browser.